Avatar and Korra Villains Ranked. Alright guys, you've seen the title. You know what it is. It's not a ranking of the strongest villains, nor is it a ranking of the best in terms of character. I'll probably make a video just for those in the future. Today, I just want to answer the question, who had the more difficult villains to beat given the circumstances, Korra or Aang? Maybe you've asked yourself this question before, or maybe it was an argument online. But unlike those messy Twitter battles, I'll be using a criteria for my selection. The criteria. These are the criteria for selecting. 1. They must be villains with screen time. 2. They must be villains who had their own season dedicated to them and their avatar battling it out. For instance, we're not going to include someone like Yakone, who we know Aang and his team apprehended in the past. At the end of the day, that leaves us with Zuko, Commander Zhao, Azula, and, of course, Fire Lord and Phoenix King Ozai for Team Last Airbender, and Kuvira, Zahir, Amon, and Unavatu for Team Korra. Honorable mention, the Dai Li for Team Avatar as well.